Hey everyone, today we're going to look at course C and we're going to come down to lesson 15, build a Flappy game. I'm sure you're really excited because today you're going to get to build your own Flappy game. Have you ever seen this bird going in between these pipes? Well, that's the game you're going to build. You can watch this video on your own. I'm going to click continue. Now, in this lesson, we're going to talk about event. And an event block is something that causes another action to happen. So, for instance, in this activity, attach the flap a normal amount block to the one click event, then press run. Click or tap on the play space to move Flappy to the target. Click OK. Now, here is the event block, one click. That means when I click on Flappy Bird, what do I want him to do? I want him to flap at a normal event, and it'll be fun if I had a sound. Let's see what happens. When I click run, it starts the game, but if I click on any other key, my Flappy Bird doesn't move unless I click on the Flappy Bird. Oh no, keep it going. Yay, got to target. Click continue. Okay, in puzzle 3, you're going to notice that another event block is here, when run. We're really familiar with the when run event block because that's how we've been coding our games. The when run event allows you to run code as soon as your game starts. Try adding a block that sets the level speed when the run button is pressed. So right here, set speed to normal. And with the drop down, it shows that there's many choices: random, very slow, slow, fast, and very fast. So let's make it fast. All right, click run, and I'm gonna click tab. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, continue. In puzzle 4, now we've added the ground. Attach the end game block to the when hit the ground event. Here's the new event block, okay? Typically, this is how you lose Flappy Bird if you hit the ground. So when the bird hit the ground, the action is end the game. Let's try it. Okay, let's try keep it up. Don't let it hit the ground. No. Oh no. There you go. Flappy will fly right through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle event so that the game ends when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. Ooh, what do we want to happen? We want the game to end. Okay? And sometimes the programmer can add, like, if you hit an obstacle, you lose a point, or you lose one of your lives if you have 3 to start with. All right, let's see. I don't want to lose. Stay. Oh. No. Oh. Let's try this one more time. Reset. Run. All right, let's see. We keep Flappy Bird in between. No. Okay. So it works. That means my event works. When it hits an obstacle, like the pipe or the ground, the game ends. All right, in puzzle 6, this icon means that this level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. That's awesome. Okay. We've added a scoreboard to count points when Flappy passes obstacles. Add a block to when pass an obstacle event that scores a point, then press run to fly Flappy through the first set of pipes. Awesome. So when that happens, when he passes an obstacle, I get a point. Ooh, let's see if this works. Oh no, here's the 0 on top. Let's keep it steady. No. What should I do, Christopher?
So you should keep it balanced once you're at that.
No.
You should not bump into it. You should stay in the level you are in when you are right.
I can't get... Oh, I was close. All right, let's see what else I can build. Oh no, I have to play this game until I score a point. Oh no. Christopher, help me.
Okay, so you should stay in the right direction.
Yes!
Good.
In puzzle 7, click the down arrow inside of the flap a normal amount block to pick a different flapping power. See if you can score a point after making Flappy flap either a smaller or larger amount each time you click. Alright, so flap a normal amount, and let's just do a random one. Pick a different flapping power, okay? Let's see. Yes, it works. Alright, in puzzle 8, next try changing the scene by attaching a block to the when run event. We're in puzzle 8. Next, try changing the scene by attaching a block to the when run event. So right here, when run, I'm gonna make the scene a little more exciting. Set scene, click the down arrow, pick, sci-fi, underwater, cave, Santa, or random. Yeah, let's try Santa. All right. This nice blue scene. Oh no! Oh, it worked though. I think all we had to do was make sure the scene was changed. Click continue. Good job.
Change the scene, Mommy.
All right, we're at puzzle 9. You can set the background under any event, not just when the game starts. Try setting a random scene when other events happen. For example, when passing an obstacle. So when passing an obstacle is this event right here. And it says once you score a point, set the scene so that it turns into a different random place. All right, who knew Flappy Bird was so hard? Yay, the scene changed. But I didn't successfully go through the pipes. All right, looking at puzzle 10. To mix things up, instead of ending the game when Flappy hits an obstacle, try setting the score back to 0. Yeah, I think that would be more fun. Where am I? Which event? It says when ending the game when Flappy hits an obstacle. So when hit an obstacle, it said end game. I'm going to throw this one out because I want to set a score instead to 0. Okay? And let's see what happens. All right. Let's see if I can successfully... Yay! The scene change. Yay! So that works. But then, I got 0. So it didn't end. I went through the pipes. I normally would have gone... Yep, there we go. Here's my point. And because I touched the pipe, I lost the point again. There's my point again. So this is a little more fun because oh no, I keep hitting those pipes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh no. So as you can see, that was a lot of fun. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 10. So we're at the last puzzle of lesson 15. Create your own Flappy game. You can change the visuals and the rules, even the gravity. When you're done, click finish to share with friends on their phones. So there are all these different things that they've added, more blocks. You can set your player. If you don't want the yellow bird, you can, when run, set the player to anything you want. Random player. And let's have a random obstacle. Make it a little more exciting. Ooh, Batman! Whoa, he's going through laser. That's pretty cool. The sound might be a little distracting. I might have to change that. Oh, yes. So close to getting more than 1. I think that's my highest score so far, Christopher, right? What do you think?
Yeah, only 2. 2 is your highest score.
2 was my highest?
You got a 2 and then you hit 1 and then you went back.
Oh, boy. Alright, so this can... this is pretty fun. What do you think? Alright. I'm not going to keep you here to watch me play the game. I want you to build your own game. Click finish. And this is the link that you can actually highlight with your mouse. If you want, you can't see it on my screen, but if you right click, you can choose the word copy, and you can paste this in our Google Classroom stream to share with your friends. When you get to the green flag, there are 2 challenges from lesson 11 if you haven't completed that. And that's it. Happy coding!